I'm Keith Blodorn, Business Director for ProSoft Technology. ProSoft is part of Rockwell Automation's Technology Partner Program, and our companies have worked together for decades, solving our customers' toughest communication problems. ProSoft equipment can be placed directly into CompactLogix and ControlLogix PACs. This allows direct communication with other vendors' equipment, allowing the most reliable and integrated way to bring data from all your machines, regardless of where they come from. ProSoft and Rockwell have also made modernization projects less risky. For example, ProSoft's Modernization Gateway allows you to incorporate brand new Ethernet IP-based devices into your legacy Rockwell PLC without the need to touch the code that's running in that PLC. For applications that require moving equipment, ProSoft's highly reliable wireless technology enables customers to use Rockwell's SIP safety protocol over wireless without the kind of drop connections and communication problems that plague so many other wireless solutions. ProSoft and Rockwell solutions are used in a variety of different industries, everything from water and wastewater to material handling and logistics, oil and gas to entertainment, power and energy to consumer packaged goods. Wherever there's a difficult communication challenge, Rockwell and ProSoft can help.